Can't be it. Hey, is this it? Oh, hey, there's a little monkey. Hey, where'd you get that guy?
Oh, that's Max.
Oh, everybody say hi to Max.
That's my test monkey.
All right,
Hey, calm down.
where do I put these jumper cables?
Okay, you're gonna hook them right up to Albert.
Right up to it, the box.
This is, yeah, the box that Albert is holding.
Black first.
No, put the red on first. Take it out!
Oh, okay.
Dangerous!
Red first.
Sheesh.
There we go.
Alrighty, here we go. We need more power. Everybody say more power!
More power!
More power.
Exactly.
Hold on, kids.
Alright, we have the battery.
Hold on.
We're gonna download this stuff.
All right, let me, hold on. Let me put the black one, or the red one on first. And 3, 2,
We got this.
hold on. 1. Do you hear anything? Dr. Moody, what was that? Oh my God.
Jeez.
Is today Wednesday?
Everything is perfectly okay. I think it's fine.
Oh! Who's that?
Oh my goodness! You look so handsome, but who are you?
Wait, who? If that,
My name's Dr. Moody. No, I'm Dr. Moody.
is there two? There's two doctor and a monkey?
You look like you,
Dr. Moody,
son.
I'm starting to freak out. I don't know what's happening.
This is really cool, and I got a handsome brother right here, but we need to fix this.
I
Do that
don't
again.
feel comfortable with it. What should we do?
Fix it. Do it again.
Power surge again?
Unplug and plug.
Okay, hold on, y'all. Everybody hold
I
on.
just need some glasses.
Here we go. This is not staying put. This is dangerous. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I don't know if I can do this anymore. Dr. Moody! Dr. Moody!
I think it worked.
Oh no! Oh no! I don't know what I did.
What is it?
You're a little smaller.
Man, Albert really grew up.
He didn't. I don't think he changed.
What do you mean he changed?
No. Oh, this is a mistake. You're really small.
You look huge right now.
Thank you. I mean, I've been working out, but you look really small.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Why did you say anything? Why did you say anything?
You just told me to plug it in.
Will you fix this? You messed the whole thing up. You're
Okay,
terrible.
okay. I'm gonna try it here. I'm gonna unplug this one.
Oh goodness.
Where's that?
Will
Okay.
you fix this? You're
I'm
such a
trying.
terrible
Oh,
assistant.
there's that monkey. Let me try.
Oh my goodness. Stop it, Max.
Let me try one more
Calm
time.
down, Max.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
I gotta get a new job. Dr. Moody. You alright, bud? Go on out, man. You're scared. Oh no! This is not good. Oh man.
What is it?
I don't know. You're really small. I can't even understand what you're saying.
What did he do?
I'm not cut out for this, man. Yeah, you're really small.
I'm so tiny.
I don't know what to do.
This is ridiculous.
What do I do?
Oh, see, just plug it in again.
Okay.
Plug it into something else.
I'm gonna try the monkey's arms, all right? Hold on. I don't know.
Plug it into something else. Oh, oh.
Sorry, bud. Dr. Moody?
I think we're all back
Oh,
together.
no! kids.